Assalamualaikum. This is the very first lecture of Mathematics Class 9, lecture number 1. The chapter name is Matrices and Determinants. First of all, we are going to discuss about matrices. What are matrices? A rectangular array or a formation of a collection of numbers. It means that a rectangular array मतलब कि एक कोई भी rectangular form में कोई भी एक जो है हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स है और अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कलेक्शन ऑफ नंबर्स जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे नंबर्स होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज़ द टाइप ऑफ मैट्रिसेस एंड देन इनक्लोज बाय ब्रैकेट्स और फिर उसको हम किसी ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिख दें. इज सेड टू फॉर्म अ मैट्रिक्स. उसको क्या कहते हैं? हम मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट है प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. मैट्रिक्स की कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं? रो एंड कॉलम ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स के हम कॉलम्स एंड रोज लिखते हैं मैट्रिसेस के अंदर. एंड सेकंड वन इज़ ऑर्डर ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स कि हम उसका ऑर्डर देखते हैं कि ऑर्डर क्या है. अब ऑर्डर और रोज एंड कॉलम्स हम कैसे देखते हैं? रोज एंड कॉलम्स हम ऐसे देखते हैं कि दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट रो 0 1 and 2. This is the first row. We can denote it R1 and this is the second row. We can denote it R2 and this is the third row. We can denote it R3. And similarly columns का भी हम ऐसे ही देखते हैं. This is the first column. We can denote it C1. This is the second column. We can denote it C2. And this is the third column. We can denote it as C3. Then order of a matrix. How can we write the order of a matrix? We can consider this matrix A is equals to 0, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 5, 7 and 6. How can we write the order of this matrix? We can consider the order can be written as, firstly we can write rows and secondly we can write columns. And the order is written as, let's suppose this is the matrix 0, 1, 3, 4 and the order is written there. And the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. How we can find the order? See, there is one row and this is the second row. Similarly, this is the first column C1 and this is the second column C2. How many rows and columns are there in this matrix? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, we can write firstly rows. So there are 2 rows and we can write 2 there. And there are 2 columns so that we can write 2 as columns. So now I have discussed properties of a matrix. Now I am going to discuss types of a matrix. How many types of matrices are there? There are 13 total types of matrices I have written there. First of all, there is equal matrix. In equal matrix, we consider the rows and columns are equal, such that if the matrix is 0, 1, 3 and 4, the rows and columns are equal. There are 2 rows R1, R2 and 2 columns C1 and C2. So this is known as equal matrix. And the second matrix is row matrix. How can we write row matrix? Let's suppose we can write 1, 3, 5. This is one row and this is known as row matrix. Similarly, column matrix is written in the form of column 1, 3 and 5. There are one row there is. So similarly, this is column matrix. Rectangular matrix. In rectangular matrix, we can write that the columns and rows are not equal. The number of columns and rows are not equal. This means that the columns, if the columns are 2, let's suppose 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, then the rows are 2 or 5, not equal to 2 columns. The rows are not equal to 2 columns. We can see there C1 and C2, R1, R2 and R3. And the square matrix. In square matrix, we can see that the columns and rows are equal. 0, 1, 3, 4, row 1 and row 2. Similarly, column 1 and column 2. Null or zero matrix. In null or zero matrix, all the entities becomes 0. We can write them 0, 0, 0 or 0. There are two names of this matrix: null matrix or zero matrix. It can be of any order, of order 3 cross 3, 2 cross 3, 2 cross 2, any order. Similarly, how can we take transpose of a matrix? We can consider a matrix 0, 1, 3, 4. We can take the transpose of a matrix by interchanging the rows into columns. We can write the transpose of this matrix as, this is the first row, so we can write first row into first column, and this is the second row, we can write it as second column. So this matrix is the transpose of this. Similarly, negative of a matrix. How can we take negative of a matrix? Negative of a matrix, we can consider this matrix as well. 0, 1, 3, 4 equals to, now we are going to take negative of this matrix. So negative of 0 is equals to 0, negative of 1 equals to negative 1, negative of 3 equals to negative 3, and negative of 4 equals to negative 4. So this is the matrix of negative. We can apply it to negative. Now we can consider symmetric matrix. How can we find this matrix is symmetric? Symmetric matrix is that we can use the property that M transpose. Let's suppose we can take a matrix M, and we can consider in symmetric matrix that M transpose of M, this one, the transpose, we can take the first, the transpose of M is equals to M. Let's suppose we have a matrix 2, 2, 2 and 2. So we can name this equals to M. Now we are taking its transpose. This will be 2. Transpose is to change rows into columns and columns into rows. We can consider this row as this column and this row as this column. So we can write M transpose equals to M. This shows that this matrix is symmetric matrix. Now we are going to discuss skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? The skew symmetric matrix is a type of matrix in which we can take transpose of a matrix which is equals to negative of a matrix, as we have find already negative of a matrix. So negative of a matrix is equals to transpose of a matrix. Now we are going to take the skew symmetric matrix. The skew symmetric matrix, for skew symmetric matrix we can take a matrix of the order 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. So now we are taking its transpose, then M transpose will be equals to 0, minus 2, 2 and 0. The row into column and the column into, row into column. Now we are taking negative of M, which will be equals to negative of M equals to, this is the M, we are going to take its negative 0. The negative signs on the values which are positive. 0 is positive, but negative sign cannot be displayed with 0. So 2, with 2 we can write negative sign, and with minus 2 we can write positive sign, because minus and minus are going to plus and 0 is written as 0. So here we can see that M transpose is equals to minus M. So this is proof that it is skew symmetric matrix. Next one is diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? The diagonal matrix is in which all its diagonal elements are non-zero. For example, the diagonal elements are, these two are the diagonal elements in square matrix. Let's suppose we can consider it as K. So the K not equals to 0 in diagonal matrix. K will be any value. K may be same, both K may be same or different. It depends upon the matrix. The next one is identity matrix. Identity matrix is also known as unit matrix. We can write it as 1, 0, 0, 1, or in the order of 3 cross 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is order of 2 cross 2 and this is the order of 3 cross 3. In identity matrix, all the diagonal elements are 1. There it can be shown that all the diagonal elements are 1. Now we are going to discuss scalar matrix. What are scalar matrix? Let's suppose these diagonal elements are k. In scalar, k not equals to 0 and k on both the values on first row and on second row both are same. If both values of k are different, this becomes diagonal matrix, but if they are same, so this is scalar matrix. So this is the introduction of matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.1, we can discuss all these types in all these matrices and all these types in exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2.